Welcome to our install video of a switch panel that fits in your Toll Tang of your Prado 250 Landcruiser. So Andrew's going to run you through the installation for this, and this allows you to switch all of your 12 volt accessories on and off through a panel that's conveniently located right in your dash.
Okay guys, so this is an installation video for our Accelerate custom switch panel. Basically how it works is this inserts in the dash, and then you have this remote module somewhere. Here I've just got it shamelessly on our dual battery solution that we offer for basically the back of the Prado. So the 100 amp battery goes there, and then this switch panel runs down to this. All your outputs can come off here. So basically that gives you 8 channels that you can feed to whatever you want. And they come with all the labels, and you literally just stick a label on. So we might just jam one label on this just to show how easy it is. And they actually stay really good. So there you go, the most illegal one of all, radar detector, which we obviously don't have. And then just on there, like that, and there you go. So actually we'll do a second one just to show how good it can look. I'll pick another random one that we're never going to use again. Here's a TV. So we'll chuck a TV on here again. It actually locates quite well. Oh, I didn't get that quite right. And there we have a TV and a radar. All right, so it really is that simple. The other thing that happens is we give you a 3D printed new, we call it a Toll Tang, because that is where the toll car goes for on the Japanese cars. Obviously it's pretty useless for us in Australia, so we've printed up another one with a bigger gap to get the plug through. So let's go do this on the car. We'll move down here. All you need, oh, I forgot it. Where did I leave it? Over here. So you need a 10 mil. Good luck finding that. An 8 mil. And then you could use a bread and butter knife for this, but obviously we're going to be a bit more professional about it. So what we do is we're replacing this here, our original one, and then we with our one, and then you just run the wire down the back. I'm not going to go through that. These are so easy, and we can show you where you'd run it anyway. So to fit this product, you literally just get your fingers in there, give it a pull, rip off that one. I've got a bit of a rag over there to protect the vehicle. Then you reach right up the back. This one is a bit hard for Liam to see, but there's a little nut up there that just unscrews, and that holds this in. So you sort of like pull it, if you get your hand right on the back corner, and then on the front corner, pop it out. There's just a couple of clips. Out it comes. We'll put it over here as well. It's my car. All right. It's hard when people are watching. All right, this is our tool. Now come down nice and low, just in case you're not doing it with the right tool. Pop that out, get your fingers under there like that, and you literally just pop it out and then pull it forward, and out it comes. We might just leave that one there this time. All right, so we've got an undercover here, and then this cover we're trying to get out. So you got your trusty 8 mil. There's actually 3, so 1, it's down here, 2, and then our third one is right over here, 3, and then that'll get us this down. Swap over to our 10, just that 10 mil there, and then pop her out. That's literally it. Yours may not have these extra ones. This is our Accelerate off-grid tow pro harness, shameless plug. So 15-minute tow pro install, get yourself one of them. All right, so back to the 8 mil, and all we want to do is just knock off this one. And this one. And then out comes that. So they're extremely similar to look at. Come on. All right, so we refit the new one. we slide it in here. And what I reckon, so there's a bit of a conjecture here, is I reckon it's a whole lot easier if you just slide the wire through beforehand. It will fit, it definitely will fit, but with everybody watching me, it's a whole lot easier to do it like that. And so we've just got the lead hanging out there. Yeah, again, I'm making it look difficult. It will be way easier for you. Chuck that in. All right, now because we're screwing back into plastic, I know I used the gun to undo it, but be a good boy, use a screw, or girl, use a screwdriver to wind it in. Another one over here. I managed to find the cheapest screwdriver I've got. All right, feed that down, and then this just slides in. Sit that all down there, slides in like that. We've got our lead now. We just hang it down there so we can find it nice and easily. That's hanging out there. Let's just slide this up. Give it a bit of a clip in. We've got our lead down here. So it actually is like the perfect length. And then this vehicle already has that module I showed you fitted in the rear. So, you know, it's basically as simple as there'll be an arrow and you'll notice a slot. So she'll go a bit of those ones and wind it down. The next bit is getting this bit to sit right. Do it like that. That's how you do it. A bit of a dunk. Make sure all this is flush here. Then all back in there. Now we can go further with it. Obviously, we'd cable tie this nice and neat along there, and it's a reversal of what we did. So this panel back on with the 3 screws, kick panel, side panel, bottom panel. Happy days.
All right, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm going to chuck a link over here to our store where you can purchase any of our Prado 250 products. There's a full install video on all of our Prado products on this playlist over here, and YouTube thinks you should watch this one down here.
Accelerate off-grid touring, powering your adventures.